Hello viewers, how are you all? This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Friends, welcome back to another video of Microsoft Excel series that is running into my channel. You can check the playlist in my channel and also check the description box after the video ends. There you will find the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. Friends, in my previous video I have showed you how to count cells with multiple criteria. You can check the description box and also check the I button here. I will give you the link. And today we are going to learn how to count cells that will have multiple criteria, as well as the criteria will be in the list, not any other cells we are going to provide. So watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from me. So let's start. Friends, at first I am going to run the OSK software as usual so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. I have already created a file previously. Here it is. Look at here, friends. In my previous video I have another cell where I have putted the criteria, but in this case I am not going to take any cells where I will have the criteria showed. To create a count of the values that appear in a list or table, you can use the COUNTIFS function. In this example, just simply type the formula like this: COUNTIFS. No change in formula, just here it is asking for criteria range 1. In this case you have to give the range 1 like this. You do not have to mention the cell number, you have to just mention the column number like this. In there it will be B to B. That means the whole B column has been selected now. Now put a comma here. Then it is asking for criteria 1. Now as the criteria is in my list only, so I have to mention the criteria cell number that will be used as a criteria. I am using here like black on this B5 cell. So I am typing this cell B5. Look at here, friends, it is now selected. Now put a comma here, give the second criteria. In my case the second criteria range will be C is to C. That means the whole C column is now selected. Then put a comma here. Then again you have to select the criteria number 2. Now I am using the C10 as my criteria number 2. So I am writing this number here, or you can select by clicking on this cell. So now you have 2 criteria and the both criteria is on your range, on your table. Then simply close the bracket and hit the enter button. Look at here, friends, the result is shown as 2. That means the black, we have given the criteria like this. that is black, B5 means the black, and C10 means it will be paired with 10. So now if you drag and copy the cell from upside down, the whole result will be showed as the criteria. The first criteria will be this one and the second criteria will be this one. So let's check how the formula actually works. The COUNTIFS function takes range and criteria as pairs and delivers a count when all criteria match. In this example, there contains two range criteria pairs. In the pair 1, the range is B to B, that means B to B, that is entered as a full column reference, and the criteria is B5. By itself, this pair would return a count of every value in column B. And in pair 2, the range is C to C, that means that full C column, and the criteria is C5 or C10, anyone. By itself, the pair would return a count of every value in column C. Because both pairs appear in the same COUNTIFS function, they link the values in column B with those in column C, and COUNTIFS generates a count of each B and C combination that appears in the table. So that's all for today, friends. See you soon, guys. Hopefully you like this video. Please share your opinion in the comment box and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel, and stay tuned.